train until the train comes to a complete stop. The next train Maui. Please take another yellow line.
Good morning! What's up, guys? So today is another day here in the Pacific Northwest. It is cloudy today, and today is I'm here at, I don't know if you could see it right there, Lowe's Home Improvement. This is one of my favorite stores. If Ode likes Target or Walmart or Ross or Hobby Lobby or whatsoever, me, I like to shop here. Lowe's or Home Depot. Let's go in. I'll grab some stuff over here. This is one of my favorite stores. This is my favorite store. Lowe's Home Improvement. Life at Lowe's. I'm lost. I don't know where to get the garden boots.
Shows us Mary Jane over this Mary Poppins.
Crap, I spent so much for today. It's like 85 bucks.
Might have had your fill, I can feel it still.
It's very hot. So I was expecting to just spend 40 bucks. I end up like spending 80 bucks. My gas. So I'm going home right now and continue doing the lawn. Alright guys, so just arrived from Lowe's and I'll show you guys my garage or my man's cave. Please bear with me of the mess. I have no time to fix these things over here. So this is my weed whacker or sting trimmer, blower, and how do you call this thing? Cobalt something. Cobalt. The heck, what's hedge trimmer? I bought something like from Lowe's. I'll put in the pegboard all over the place, and I'm going to kind of like arrange all this stuff because this is my garage. Alright, so I'll give you an update of my project, which is the lawn. Alright, the lawn. Let there be light. Wow, this morning is so cloudy, but today is like sunny as frick. So I'm almost finished off my trimming. Try to look of that. Ooh, almost, maybe 2 days more. It's so in it. I need a mower, but it's too expensive for now, and it's not my priority. Let there be light. The camera didn't adjust so well. So, but before that, I'll just do the laundry. Okay, let's make this thing interesting. focus camera. Alright, so I'm done with my organization stuff. I don't know if this is cool, but for now, this is it.
Please get up. You're making a fool of yourself.
Alright. So I think that's it for today, guys, and see you next time. Bye.